Hello guys, welcome back, and going to get to it as per usual. So sorry if you can't really see that one. I used quite a light pencil, and hence why I'm going to slightly darker, because you genuinely cannot really see it on screen. So I'm just going to get to it, as I said. So I'm just going to talk about the things that the methods that I've used. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me. Sorry for the wobbled camera there. So these are all good speed, and I've utilised, along with the good speed, geometric and observational methods. And this one took 3 minutes 20 seconds, second one took 3 minutes, and the third one took 3 minutes as well. So we'll start with number one. And this is where I basically critique and provide myself with some feedback, very quick feedback loop, which has allowed me to progress and become a more effective and efficient sketcher and get the fundamentals of art, gaining the fundamentals of art and those skills much quicker than I had done previously. So number one, the mouth is too full as well as too low in the face, specifically the bottom lip, and the eyes are actually too large as well. So that was, yeah, so as soon as I saw it, I was like, no, that's not quite worked out. Moved on to the second one when the timer went off. Number two is actually the closest sketch to the original reference photo, and this one actually did turn out better than what I actually first had a look at. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. The reason why the hair's like that, the shot was literally of the face with what looked like either wet hair pulled in front, or it was really kind of styled that way, like with gel or something. So hence why she looks like that. And the third one did not work out at all. This is the first sketch of the morning, and this usually happens with at least one of them. I usually get either one or two that's actually worked out, specifically that one, number two, and then I get one that's completely off. So the proportions are completely off, as you can see. So the face, far too wide set, and the features are far too wide set as well, and they're not even laid out according to the structure of the face and the layout of the original photo. I know where to go from here. I'm not going to get demoralised by it. I'm glad I've got the feedback and actually analysing the content that I've created, and I can go from here instead of just completely demoralising myself and not knowing how to improve. I know where to improve and what to do. So yeah, if you are new, please subscribe, drop me a wee comment, that'd be awesome. Let me know what you think, what you would do, and also if you enjoy sketching too. Thanks guys!